Hey, welcome back everybody. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you're having good luck with your gardening and all of your projects. And without further ado, let's get to today's. So today we're working on phase 2 of wiring, which involves the trench that you see here. Goes all the way to the corner of the shipping container over there. And then also grounding. So we have our 6-foot grounding rod. That was probably the most difficult thing I have ever done or tried to do, because out here, I mean, if you look around, there's nothing but rocks. I would say the soil and the rock mixture is probably 75% rocks, and some of those rocks are hundreds of pounds. So I had to dig a hole with the tractor, which wasn't easy either because of a confined area, and I didn't want to hit the solar array, so I had to be very careful. I dug down about 3 feet with the tractor, and then I was able to pound the grounding rod into the ground. Now it sticks out of the ground about 12 inches. I couldn't get it to go down any further than that. I used a large hammer and beat the heck out of it, and it just wasn't going any further, so that's gonna have to work. And next we need to start grounding the solar panel frames too, so that'll be probably in the next video or so. We're gonna have to sand down the areas that I decide to attach the grounding wire to, because it's aluminum, and aluminum is non-conductive. After it sits out for a while, it will an oxide will accumulate on the surface, protecting it. So we'll sand it down and then quickly attach probably some stainless steel hardware, and then a thick copper wire or copper cable to each one of these panels. So we'll do all 20 panels, and then we'll have that copper cable going down to our ground rod for added protection against lightning. Now my combiner box does have lightning protection in it, but that does not protect the panels themselves. That's only to protect the wiring and from catching on fire. So I believe it's this circuit right here. This is to protect from lightning, but like I said, it won't protect the panels themselves because the panels have the aluminum frames around them. So I think what we'll do is we'll probably do something from the underside. So maybe we'll just drill holes in both the frames, because then we could just go right down the middle here and ground all the panels together with one long thick cable, rather than going down the whole bottom and then going around the whole top. Since the panels are touching here, it'll be easy to connect them together. Maybe even can drill a hole through here and connect them together that way, but we'll see. I know some of you guys out there know way more about this stuff than I do, and I'm sure you'll leave better comments or more better ideas in the comment section, as you normally do. And I am greatly appreciative of that. It is hot out here. I'm sweaty, but I'm gonna call it a day. I'm done for the day. I don't have the cabling to run from the array to the shipping container yet. It's on its way. I did order it online thanks to a great suggestion from Mr. David Christensen. He's a subscriber on there. He also has a YouTube channel, JCDC in the AZ, I believe. Don't quote me, I might have said that wrong. I am like wicked tired right now. But he's got some great content on his channel for solar stuff if you want to see things on a much larger scale from an engineering point of view. He has a lot of data and information, things that I wouldn't even know how to put together, because I'm not that kind of person. I'm not an engineer. I grow plants with fish poop, and I used to set up music equipment, so I'm not very good with computers or data or anything like that, but I'm still learning, and I've been getting some great tips from you guys, the viewers, so I appreciate all of you guys. So we're gonna wrap the video up. I'm gonna go pick up my inverter charge controller today, folks. That's right, it's 6,500 watts, 48 volts. It's got built-in Wi-Fi, has a removable screen so I can take the screen off, put it wherever I want. and you can put them in series to up the voltage. So it's 120 volt. This particular one's 120 volts. I can't think of the exact model name. Actually, since I'm not doing this with my phone, I can look on my phone real quick and give that data to you guys. It was not a cheap one. Originally I went with the Grow Watt one because it was cheap, but once I got it, I discovered it was the wrong one, and then I decided that, you know, I don't want to cheap out on this, so we are not going to spare much expense with a lot of these things. I've already shown you guys our VMS battery monitoring system. That was not a cheap one. So, alright, it's a Sun Gold Power. It is alright, Sun Gold Power 6500 watt 48 volt solar charger inverter, and then parallel, it is also parallel plus Wi-Fi monitor, UL 1741 listed, and the model is, it doesn't show the model. Anyways, if you look it up online and you use the 6500 watts with 48 volts, you'll find the one that I'm getting. It is blue. Like you see, maybe you can see it here. Put my phone down and try to hold the camera still so you can see. I'm not sure if it's even going to focus on that, but that's what it is. It's on sale right now, it looks like, for $13.50, and I believe there's a newer model out too, so that's probably why it's on sale. So that's the one I'm getting. It's arriving today. This morning, as I was getting my normal morning phone call, I got an email saying that it was out for delivery. So I'm gonna go pick that up here shortly and go visit with some friends, and I gotta grab some water too and pick up some Amazon packages. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. If you have any questions or comments, pop those in down below, and as always, keep building and try to be good to each other. Some of us aren't here for very long, and a little bit of kindness will go a long way. So God bless you all, and peace. And the trench is just over 2 feet deep, if anyone's wondering.